We're going to take a look at how we add strategies to decrease drawdown. Here are today's trades. I want to make a quick note. We've added this to NinjaTrader, Stock Index Swing, and this strategy trades differently in different platforms because it uses the NYSE tick, and different data providers provide that differently. But it's very close, and so if you can't trade the portfolio, can't trade the 100K portfolio, can't trade the 9 system portfolio, this is the one strategy. If you have to pick one strategy, this is the one to trade. One I highly recommend. So that's a quick note on that. And here's a screenshot of the other trades for the day. Other strategies that we're adding, I'm going to show you an update of the portfolio calculator. We're in a drawdown. Drawdowns always give us opportunities to get in. 1797.14 drawdown. And you scroll down, we're down 1656 on the month so far. Here's the drawdown curve, here's the equity curve, and here's where we're at. I want to show you how we can add systems to reduce drawdowns. 8180.33 is the drawdown. And the one system that we're adding officially to this portfolio as of yesterday is Checkmark Euro Currency and money management algorithm version. So when we add this one strategy, it gives us, right now we currently have 12 trend and 12 counter trend strategies. So when we add this one strategy, we have 12 trend and 12 counter trend strategies because it's a counter trend strategy for the euro currency. So when we add that, we're still down on the month, and so we're not trying to improve the short-term results, just the long-term results. The drawdown goes from 81.80 to 76.77. So this number goes up a lot. You can see that we're not trying to necessarily optimize these numbers incrementally as much as we are at another counter trend strategy. Add another. It's a strategy that I have been watching, and I want to show you that strategy. We've talked about this strategy before. It's a check mark strategy. It's a pattern I've noticed in the market for the last several years. I think it's done well because of the Fed's QE policy, narrow ranges, as well as high frequency traders. High frequency traders tend to slam the range or sell into the range or short volatility. Basically what we're doing is we're shorting volatility. So this graph at the bottom represents volatility, and so when we get a volatility spike, we take the trade in the opposite direction. And so it's a counter trend day trade. And so you can see that here. Let's look at the results over the last 3 years just on the base version. Long term it doesn't do as well, but just on the base version with slippage and commission, see it's done really well since January of 2012. Strategy's done really well, and so here's the money management algorithm version going back long term. A longer term view of this is with some previous data loaded on this, and so it's not the most perfect equity curve, but it's a profitable strategy. It includes slippage and commission, and it trades counter trend. It's different than anything else we have for the euro, and because of that, when we put it in the portfolio, we see a reduction in drawdown, and so we get that reduction in drawdown just a little bit. So we're not hurting the portfolio, batting it. We're helping it a little bit, and so a little bit of improvement. It's a very cyclical drawdown curve, and so this is one way you can add a system to reduce drawdown. An additional system that you can add, that is, let's take this check mark euro out again so we can get the drawdown, is the 81.80.33. So if we add the check mark euro in, we see that drop to 76.77, and then you add the stock index swing return ESMM. So we're a big fan of the way the swing systems work in this sort of market environment, and so when we look at swing return money management algorithm version, it actually puts us up for the month, and we're 81.52.24, and we're at an equity peak right now instead of a drawdown. And this is a counter trend strategy. It trades overnight, holds positions overnight, has a big stop loss of 2,500, but the results have done really well in this market environment. It's counter trend swing trade, and we don't have any counter trend swing trade strategies in this portfolio. It reduces the number of losing months to only 4, and so there's no losing months this year. There's no losing months last year. In 2012, there's 2 losing months. 2011, there's 1 losing month. 2010, no losing months. 2009, so there's only a few losing months. in the last 5 years or so when you add this strategy. So I want to take a look at the strategy, swing return MM. Here it is. Here it is with slippage and commissions. Or actually, this one doesn't have slippage and commission. This is the base version, and we're using the money management algorithm version. Here is the version without slippage and commission. This does really well. And then here's the money management algorithm version over here on the right. Need to turn the algorithm on. Okay, so the money management algorithm is on the right. It does include 25 round turn slippage and commission, has equity curve management in it, and it's at equity peak as well. In the short term, it has not done as good as this version, but keep in mind this version does not have slippage and commission, and it has no equity curve algorithm. So if this strategy does terrible, it will go through a bad drawdown, while the money management algorithm version will shut itself off. And so this is another one that we recommend that can be traded. Again, this is a counter trend strategy, so it would be a counter trend swing, and our other swing strategy is a trend swing strategy. And so with this strategy, if you added it, there would be 13 counter trend and 12 trend, and so it'd be 25 systems. So that's one option if you want to trade the 100K portfolio with this strategy as well. You can do so. Right now officially we only have 24 strategies, adding only the checkmark euro currency as of yesterday, and the results are updated through yesterday as well, and here they are. So I'll have this on the website soon, and you can sign up for checkmark euro currency, or you can sign up for the 100K portfolio and get that checkmark euro currency as well. If you have the portfolio, we'll be sending the update out.